Alright, so today what we're going to talk about is leading virtual teams behind enemy lines. This is about the special operations that were conducted on 29th of September 2016, more famously known as surgical strikes. We will look at the surgical strikes from a very narrow prism. We will try and avoid the politics and the geopolitics behind it, and we'll try and focus on the operational readiness and performance excellence of the para commandos who went in for this particular across the LOC raid. What are some of the key challenges you face with your teams operating in remote environment, especially with reference to extended work from home?
The Indian Army conducted surgical strikes last night at these launch pads.
7 terror launch pads were destroyed during the surgical strikes during these 4 hours. So what do you think helped make this surgical strike a spectacular success, with seemingly mission impossible easily accomplished? Clear communication, very well defined roles and responsibilities, execution, coordination, crisp information. And are these the very similar situations that are happening at our own within our own teams? And if that be the case, let's look at what is the Army way, which really made this planning, this communication, this clarity in role responsibilities and accountability, this clear alignment of goals happen. So the Army way is, if at all we were to summarize it as, is a very interesting acronym which goes as Z Kit Bag.
ये बडीज एक साथ खाते पीते रहते और काम करते हैं। पैराएसएफ में सारी टेक्निक्स, ट्रेनिंग और स्किल्स बडी सिस्टम के इर्द गिर्द ही घूमती हैं।
आपका बडी ही आपका सब कुछ होता है। वो आपके लिए जान दे भी सकता है और जान ले भी सकता है।
This is about the buddy, and buddy, as we said, it's all about shadow, twinning, pillar of strength, but somebody whom you can relate to very well. And in a corporate team, it can by extension be the entire team spirit, right? And therefore, is there someone close to help, support and guide you as the things get tough? Who's watching your back? Regardless of however close your team is and however high your team spirit is it possible for you as a manager to be able to support each of your team member emotionally at all points in time?
No, not really.
Not really, right? And there's great merit in having a buddy happening around us, and maybe you can carry this as a good practice once you even get back to the business as usual. But what it essentially stands on as a principle is trustworthiness index equation. Okay, so let me ask you this. Are you trusting me a little bit?
Oh yes.
Okay, thank you, Pareen, thank you, Ramesh. All right, Ritesh, do you trust me a little tiny bit?
Yeah, definitely.
So let's look at what is it that I'm doing consciously ever since this last 1.5 hours that has helped me establish some level of trustworthiness, right?
You're able to give us some guidance.
Okay, so one
you're
is
able to relate to our problems, our situations.
okay. So I'm able to give guidance and relate to what may be really happening at your workplaces. What does it help establish?
Even clear communication establishes trust.
Okay, even clear communication establishes trust. What does it help establish?
Credibility.
Credibility. Great point. Who was that, please?
Arpita.
Arpita, thank you. So the first and a very critical piece of building trust is there needs to be credibility. So the equation for trustworthiness is essentially credibility plus reliability plus my professional intimacy, and on the denominator it is self-orientation, which actually leads to trustworthiness. Ritika has been a customer Spock for about 6 months now and has been managing the process, coordinating with other functional teams and the customer vendor management teams. The operating norms in the new situation were drafted in a hurry and agreed between all interfaces, and things seem to be running fine. One of the customers had shared a process error with Ritika in a daily call to be shared with quality control team to fix the bug. It was a hectic day and there was a virtual birthday celebration after the customer call. The error came up again the next day, leading to the customer billing complaints. And the customer manager sends an escalation to Sumit. What do you think could be the issue here? Z, KIT, BAG. Which of the Z kit bag elements do you think is applicable in the case of Sumit? Tarkeeb, Khabar, Andaz, Khabar. You get right, 4 of you. Let's see who all did. Anjani, Ritesh, Paneer. And you move up. And Sahil is the winner with 2441 points. Congratulations, Sahil. So Menti.com. Use the code 834056. Thank you, everybody. And it was great being with you. Thank you, Anand.
Thanks a lot, RK.
Thanks, RK.
You're welcome.
Thank you
please.
so much.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, RK.
Thank you.